Hi, I'm Mark Foster, and this is my submission for the 2020 Facebook Developer Circles Community Challenge. So for my submission, I built a tutorial of how to build a simple React Native photo app in 30 minutes. And I do this by using something called Expo with React Native. So Expo allows you to build an app, even for an iOS device, without having a Mac. Traditionally, to build a mobile app, you need a Mac running Xcode to deploy that app to your iOS device. Expo allows you to get around that. And this tutorial walks you through building a simple mobile app to get somebody started. It's done from the perspective of a beginner, so you wouldn't need to know very much about React or React Native. And following these instructions in about 30 minutes, you can put together a simple app, and I'll show you what the app looks like in just a minute. And when you're done, and scan the QR code with your camera on iOS, or you can scan it with your Expo client app on Android, and then the Expo client app will run the app, and you can click on camera in the home screen to take a picture, or you can click on the library to select a photo from the library. And that'll help users get started on building their first React Native app, and something a little bit more interesting than just a hello world. That's it. Thank you very much.